Today marks the 83rd birthday of the man who has ruled Indian cinema for over 5 decades. Amitabh Bachchan, from the angry young man of the 70s to the timeless icon of today, his journey continues to inspire generations. In fact, here's a look at the legend whose story is as extraordinary as his voice. We'll show you that report, but first, take a look at this report from my colleague Anuj Rathi.
It's Amitabh Bachchan's 83rd birthday today, 11th of October, and as you can see, we are standing outside his Juhu residence where people have come in.
8 साल हम लोग बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, अलग अलग किरदार निभाते हैं. मैं कह रही हूँ कि सिंगर है, मैं ऑटो ड्राइवर है, मतलब ऑटो ड्राइवर में पोस्टर्स वगैरह लगते हैं, रिक्शा में केक करता है. और इस बार मैं
कूली का कैरेक्टर
आज सर का जन्मदिन है 83, तो जन्मदिन की अनेक अनेक शुभकामनाएं. सर मस्त रहे और ऐसा ही अलग अलग सर की फिल्म आते रहे. नहीं तो हम उनका नया लुक सर को सब फ्रेंड के साथ मनोरंजन बांटते रहे.
All of these people are waiting here, as I said earlier, for hours only to get a glimpse of their favorite actor. And the scenes that you see outside Jalsa at the moment isn't something unusual. We've seen this happen on a regular basis. You know, on almost every Sunday, we see people come here outside Amitabh Bachchan's house to get a glimpse of him. But the number of people that has come today is way more than what is the case on every week. Every week, one can also see that there are several posters that are put up on the, on the other side of the road, celebrating their favorite actor's birthday. As I said earlier, people are continuing to come here in large numbers. That means that, the security has also been beefed up outside Amitabh Bachchan's house. Of course, besides the usual security that we see outside the house, the police vehicles have also been deployed here since morning to make sure that there is no sort of an unruly activity that unfolds here. And at the same time, there is no sort of disruption that is caused here as far as traffic conditions are concerned. With camera person Himanshu Kumar, this is Anuj Rathi reporting for NDTV.